Hi, everyone. Today I'll show you how to make a simple door in Roblox Studio. We are creating a door model. It consists of two parts. Add proximity prompts to Door 1 and Door 2. For Door 2, set Cancelide to false and transparency to 1. Rename the proximity prompt in Door 2 to Proximity Prompt 2 and rename the proximity prompt in Door 1 to Proximity Prompt 1. Scripting, Door1 Script. This script goes in Door 1. Scripting, Door2 Script. This script goes in Door 2. Let's finish our door. And let's anchor the entire door. Let's test it. It works. See you next time. Bye.